What is the structure of an MP3 file? Have you ever wondered how those beautiful bird songs are captured and stored in an MP3 file? Understanding the structure of an MP3 file can help you appreciate the technology behind bird sound recordings. Let's break it down step by step. First off, an MP3 file is made up of multiple frames. Each frame is like a tiny package that contains both a header and the audio data. The header is the first part of each frame and acts as an identifier. It starts with a sync word that helps audio players recognize the beginning of a valid frame. This sync word is crucial for ensuring smooth playback. Next, the header includes bits that indicate the MPEG standard and the layer being used, which is layer 3 for MP3 files. It also provides important details like the sampling rate and channel mode. These elements help the audio player understand how to process the sound. After the header, we get to the audio data. This is where the actual sound information is stored. MP3 files use lossy compression, which means that some audio details are removed to reduce the file size. While this may sound concerning, the good news is that most of the time, these details are not noticeable to the human ear. Now, let's talk about bitrate and compression. MP3 files can have either a constant bitrate or a variable bitrate. The variable bitrate adjusts based on the audio content. For instance, it lowers the bitrate during quiet parts and raises it during louder or more complex sections. This helps keep the file size manageable while maintaining sound quality. Another interesting aspect of MP3 files is metadata. Most MP3 files include metadata in the form of ID3 tags. These tags can store additional information like song titles, artist names, and even the species of birds recorded. This is particularly useful for birdwatchers who want to keep track of their recordings. To visualize it, think of the structure of an MP3 file as a nest. Each frame is like a twig, carefully placed to create a cozy home for the bird's song. Just as a bird selects twigs of the right size and shape, an MP3 file chooses the right bitrate and compression to fit the audio content perfectly. This ensures that the bird's song is preserved efficiently and is enjoyable to listen to. In summary, understanding the structure of an MP3 file is essential for anyone interested in bird sound recording technology. From frames and headers to audio data and metadata, each component plays a vital role in capturing and storing those enchanting bird songs.